Today I'm here with graffiti artist Yachts, and we're gonna be doing some painting at the skate park. For the past while, we've been wanting to collaborate on a funky photo project. Recently, I've been feeling the itch to create an image where I use Photoshop to exaggerate the size of something in a scene. Alright, so we're just about set up at the skate park now. We've got Yachts in the background painting his mural of a Doberman, and we've got Joy hanging out on the trash can back there doing a sketch on her iPad. We're going to switch the garbage can out for a larger-than-life spray can and hopefully have a bunch photoshopped in the background too. I'm still just kind of figuring out the framing and where I'm going to have everything. Now that we've figured out the mural location and approximate size of the painting, it's time for me to figure out the composition that I'll shoot. So Seth's going to be working on the Doberman piece to the left. Joy's going to be sketching while sitting on a massive spray can on the right. And I'm thinking about having some other spray cans up in this area along the side of the quarter pipe. So right now we're going to play around with the spray cans on the ground and just kind of orient them in a way that I can shoot them after. Almost looks like she's sitting on it now. As the sun slowly set behind the buildings, it became our optimal shooting time. I quickly directed Yachts and Joy on exactly how I wanted them to pose for my scene. When I felt like I got what I needed with them, I immediately shifted over to photograph the spray cans before the light changed. The first can I'm shooting is the one that Joy is going to be sitting on. It's cylindrical just like the garbage can that she's sitting on, so all I have to do is shoot it on the same angle to make the lines match up with the garbage can. Now for these cans, I'm going to have them a little further back on the side of the quarter pipe. Having the spray cans elevated on this box allows me to get lower and look up to them, just like my camera did when I was shooting on the tripod. I was looking up to the quarter pipe. Since I immediately switched to shooting the spray cans, the lighting has remained the same. This will make it a breeze to edit the pictures together in Photoshop. Now that I've got all the material I need, Yachts did a few final details. Joy's hitting the quarter pipe. Joy's dog took a joyride. Yachts put on a seal of approval. And we called it a night. All right. I've gone ahead and selected the images I want to assemble. First, I'm going to take the Speedy Scooter kid and add him into our main scene. He adds energy to the image and fills some of the otherwise dead space. Now I'm going to take out the smelly trash can. Or hide it, at least. Look how perfectly the spray can covers it. And how the lighting is already spot on. Now to make it look like Joy is sitting on it, I'm going to cut her out from the layer below and put her over top of the spray can. Great, this is starting to come together. But now we need to hijack Joy's reflection from the trash can. Change the color and tones and blend it into the spray can. From there, I just perfect her shadow and voila! Looks completely realistic. Now I'm going to repeat very similar steps along the top of the quarter pipe to implement a few more spray cans. Fantastic! The major parts of the image are all assembled now. So I'm going to hone in on a few smaller things that are bugging me, like removing these power lines and signage. Let's also nerf the brand names on the spray cans. You know, with the logos removed, the cans are almost like an open canvas. I'm gonna throw some of Yachts' other work into that space. I'm just gonna grab him from his Instagram. A link to his page is in the description below. And I think we're done. And now, I present to you Gnarly Lines.